Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix Twitter profile update failed problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is you're first gonna go ahead, check on your connection, make sure it's good. Afterwards, once go to Play Store and type in X and see if your app is updated or not, because if it's not, then make sure it's updated. Tap on update and do it. And then afterwards, if you try to open your app and you go to your profile on top left corner, right, again tap on your profile and you're tapping on this edit profile, and here in this section, if for your name, for your username, if you haven't updated a correct information, and then that why it is showing you that kind of option. So that's, for example, so if you have used a fake verification mark, check mark symbol in the name or bio field, and so for that matter you have to remove the check mark in order to save changes. So if you're trying to add some bookmarks or some check like tick marks or anything in your bio, then that won't work. You have to keep it simple and then tap on the save, and that way you will be able to, if you try to add in something fake, then that notification might appear. So these are the way for you to solve it, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.